Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Got a promo code for Prizepicks? Let me show you how to apply it in just a few simple steps. First of all, log into your Prizepicks account on the app or website. Now head over to the deposit section or account settings menu, depending on where you are adding the promo code. When making a deposit, you will see an option to enter a promo code. Type in your code carefully and double check for any errors. Click Apply to activate your promo code. If valid, you will see a confirmation of the bonus or offer associated with the code. Complete your deposit to finalize the process. Your promo code benefits will be automatically added to your account. And that's it. Adding a promo code to PrizePicks is quick and easy. Take advantage of your bonus and start making those picks. Thanks for watching.